Hey guys, this is Joey Kissimmee, and I just want to give a real quick shout out to my good friend Adam Horowitz, and basically just thank him for what he has done for me and my online businesses. Now, I'm always looking for new ways to drive traffic and new ways to basically make money online. And a few months ago, Adam and I were talking, and he started to share with me this new thing called mobile marketing, or at least it was new to me because I've never heard of it, right? But anyways, I started to listen and I learned a few tricks here and there and I went out there and implemented. And let me tell you, I was very surprised at how fast the results were coming in with just by applying just a few things that Adam taught me. Now, I want to go ahead and show you some of those results here and some recent results actually from today from me making this video. And I want to just show you some of the results that I've been accumulating and getting by just applying some of the stuff that Adam taught me. Okay, so I'm right here in the ClickBank front page and the home page. I'm going in and log in real quick. And right here, you're going to see the back office of my ClickBank account. And we're going to go right down here to where it says weekly sales snapshot. And right here, you can see some of the results that I've been getting by doing this mobile marketing thing. For example, right here this week, so far we've only done $152. The week before, 551. The week before that, we had a big week. We had 1,800 bucks. And then right here, you see 500, just under 500. Right here, just under 700. And as you can see right here, surprisingly, this stuff works. Okay, right here you can see some of the results for this week. Right here, Saturday, today as I'm filming this, the 31st of July, I've only made $35. It could have been one or two sales here. We did $60 here, 50 here. Down here we have some pretty good days, 200, 100. It's not really astronomical numbers, like huge numbers, like $10,000 a day, but the results are there. This stuff does work. And that's just by applying a few of the techniques that Adam taught me. So with a little bit of tweaking here and there, I could probably get this to see some numbers like this here where I'd probably be averaging anywhere from $15 to $2,000 per week. So I just want to really thank Adam for everything that he has done for me. And basically he just added another stream of income to my online businesses that I have. And I just want to thank him very much, and I just hope that many of you guys who get this course can start seeing results like this. Even though it's not a lot and hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I mean, honestly, would an extra 500 bucks a week make a difference in your life right now? I think so. So with that said, this is Joey Kissimmee. Peace. I love it for free. Out.